We all know the health benefits of drinking ionized water on a regular basis. But why spend over $5,000 on a Kangen water machine when you can get the best quality ionizers for a fraction of the price? That's why our experts researched and reviewed the top 3 Tyent Water Ionizers. We'll explain the differences between each model to find the best fit for you and get the healthier water flowing. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for additional information and exclusive Freshnss discounts. Let's dive in. Starting at number 3 with the best budget option is the Tyent Edge 9000T Water Ionizer. This countertop ionizer was released just this year and features a sleek, compact design that can fit well with any type of kitchen, yet still comes at an affordable price tag. The Edge 9 features a touch-screen control panel with an LCD backlit that automatically turns off after 10 minutes of non-use to save on energy. It even has a voice-assisted guide to help determine the settings you need for the type of water that you'd like for ultimate ease of use. As far as performance, the Tyent Edge 9 features 9 platinum-coated plates for the most powerful electrolysis reaction possible. The machine has 6 water type settings to deliver a pH range between 2.5 and 11.5, and the turbo boost function to create strong alkaline or acidic water. But what really makes this product a hit is its signature multi-stage ceramic and carbon block filtration system that's capable of removing suspended solids from 0.5 to 5 microns, including sediment, rust, sand, as well as other common water contaminants, so the end result is the purest water possible. The LCD display will also indicate the filter usage to know exactly when it's time to replace the filters. And the easy load front door filter opening makes changing the filters a breeze. The best part, Tyent is so confident that their plates are the strongest and most reliable on the market that if you experience any issues, they'll fix or replace your unit with a lifetime guarantee and a 75-day money-back trial period. The pros are that it comes with 9 platinum-coated titanium plates, its multi-stage ceramic and carbon block water filtration system, a pH range of 2.5 to 11.5, and oxidation reduction potential of up to -875. The compact stainless steel design can fit anywhere, and the most cost-efficient Tyent ionizer. The cons are that it is fewer titanium plates as compared to other Tyent ionizers. Next at number 2 is the best countertop model, the Tyent Ace 13 Water Ionizer. Packed with the most innovative features on the market, if you're looking for an ionizer machine with unparalleled performance that won't break the bank, the Ace 13 is your go-to. For starters, it comes with an incredible 13 platinum-coated titanium electrode plates, the most you can find anywhere in the world. This is the secret behind its ability to produce water with a pH of between 1.7 to 12.5 alkaline. The bigger plates mean more surface contact area to turbo boost your water with antioxidant-rich alkaline benefits. The water settings are also fully adjustable, with multiple water types including 3 alkaline, 3 acidic, 1 neutral, and 1 turbo level, for both acidic and alkaline outputs, so you can create the perfect water type for your use. Designed with the modern kitchen in mind, the Ace 13 Ionizer features the first fully customizable smartphone LCD touch display in a water ionizer that you'll find on the market. Additionally, for a true touchless experience, the proximity sensor allows you to set the sensor to your most commonly used water setting, so it automatically produces water once it senses your hands in front of it. In terms of filtration, you can rely on the Tyent Ace 13 to remove impurities and contaminants in your water, down to 0.5 microns, including sediment, chlorine, and more with its dual-stage filter. As an added line of defense, tap water flows through the electrolysis chamber to zap any germs and bacteria in its tracks to guarantee 99% water purity. The pros are that it includes 13 titanium electrode plates for maximum water alkalinity, the lifetime warranty with 75-day money-back guarantee, a pH range of 1.7 to 12.5, and oxidation reduction potential of up to -1150, proximity sensor for hands-free dispensing, and next-generation touchscreen display for easy customization. The cons are the slightly larger dimensions than the Edge 9 machine. At number 1 is the best Undercounter model, the Tyent UC 13 Plus Water Ionizer. This amazing and beautiful high-tech faucet creates some of the most amazing water on the planet, with several unprecedented health-enhancing innovations. For starters, this system includes the ionizer machine with a faucet that's fitted with an industry-first touch-screen panel, where you can fully control the entire water ionizer. It also has the ability to change from full color to night mode, depending on your preferences. And with the Eco Mode setting, the ionizer will automatically power down to only display the current time after non-use. You even have the option between a satin silver or antique faucet, so it fits with the rest of your kitchen's aesthetics. And the handle can rotate 180 degrees for the ultimate convenience. The UC13 is equipped with 13 solid platinum-coated titanium mesh plates for maximum electrolysis capability. They are dipped multiple times in platinum and baked for the strongest and thickest plates in the industry. This all means that the UC13 contains the highest levels of negative ORP and the most therapeutic levels of molecular hydrogen. The water ionizer is also equipped with presets for 6 types of alkaline and acidic water, with an additional turbo boost option to turn your water into antioxidant-rich, pH-balanced perfection. For the purest water possible, the machine includes a dual-stage filter system that can remove over 200 types of pollutants in your water for 99% purity. And because the UC13 has a self-cleaning and descaling feature, you don't need to worry much about maintenance while still making sure that your water ionizer will last for years to come. The pros: it includes a 13 titanium mesh electrode plates for maximum effectiveness, the professional-grade faucet with integrated touch display control panel, the dual filtration system for 99% pure water, it speaks 5 different languages, and the lifetime warranty with a 75-day money-back guarantee. The cons are that it is slightly more expensive because of the high-performance construction, and it requires faucet mount installation. Don't forget to check the description box below for more water filtration information and special discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.